In this video, we are going to see history of Tally, Tally versions, and later we are going to see the requirements for installing Tally. In the previous video, we have seen regarding about software versions, release and licenses. Now let's see the history of Tally. Coming to the first slide here, where we are going to see the history of business accounting software Tally. Tally software has made all the complex business calculations easier and even time saving. Tally is a versatile accounting package. Why we call this one as a versatile accounting package? Because this particular software can handle accounting, inventory management, invoicing, sales, purchase management. MIS reports can be generated. MIS indicates here management information system. Reports can be generated instantly for a given period. It also supports for payroll system where we can automate the employee records management. This particular software also supports for POS, that is point of sale, multiple languages including foreign languages, taxation system including other countries' tax system. Then it also supports for higher level security. It provides accurate and up-to-date business information. It is a successful software product. Apart from our country, even other countries are also using this particular product. It is easy to use, powerful, reliable, secure, accurate, executes in real time, operates at high speed. Tally software was founded in the year 1986 by Shyam Sundar Goenka, who was the founder of this particular software product, and the company name was Fitronics Private Limited, Bengaluru. Shri Shyam Sundar Goenka had textile business in Bangalore, which supplied raw materials and machinery to textile mills. During his tenure of business or during his course of business, Mr. Goenka wanted to automate accounting operations, but he found that existing accounting softwares were complicated and was difficult to use. With a vision to simplify his accounting operation, he suggested his son Bharat Goenka to develop an accounting solution, which led to the birth of Tally solution in 1986. Due to the path-breaking research and development activities which were taken by his son Bharat Goenka, Tally software began to emerge as a leading software solutions in accounting and financial world. Tally software was developed by Mr. Bharat Goenka in the year 1988. Mr. Bharat Goenka is the co-founder and managing director of Tally Solutions. In year 2020, he received the Padma Shri honor from the Government of India for his contribution in the field of trade and industry. Later, Fitronics Private India was changed to Tally Solutions Private India Limited. Tally software is developed with a core engine with an SDK wrapper. Most of Tally's interaction forms and reports are developed using the language that is TDL, Tally Definition Language. Then what is SDK? SDK indicates here Software Development Kit is a wrapper around APIs. API is nothing but application programming interface, which makes the job easy for developers. As we know that most of the Tally's interaction forms and reports are developed using TDL, that is Tally Definition Language. Customization of Tally application can be done using TDL SDK, the software development kit. Tally.ERP9 has advanced integration capabilities in the form of application programming interfaces to make the software extensible. Whereas TDL is a language based on definitions, it is an action-driven language. Whenever user performs an action, a particular segment of code gets executed. TDL is a powerful tool in the hands of the programmer, which enables customization and solutioning capability in the product. It is platform independent because TDL programs remain the same irrespective of which operating system or network one uses. TDL automatically takes care of all developmental features of a solution, whether it is the entries, reports, printing, data export in the various format with a single unified program. Even TDL can be used to generate output for multiple devices and in multiple formats. Now coming to the slide, requirements for installing Tally 9. In that the first one is processor. In that microprocessor, Pentium 4. Then RAM or main memory 256 MB or more. Right now we are using 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB also. Coming to the free disk storage, at least 40 MB, but right now we are talking in GBs and TBs. Coming to the operating system, apart from Windows 98, ME, NT 2000, even in Unix and Linux servers also we can go for installing the Tally. Now here comes out with Tally versions. Let's see one by one. Tally 4, 4.5, Tally 5, 5.4, 6.3, 7.2, 8.1, 9, ERP9. Right now we have even Tally Prime also. Tally 4 was supported with basic accounting. The first version of accounting software Tally was launched as an MS-DOS application. Even Tally 4.5 also was supported with basic accounting. Then comes out with Tally 5, which was window based, which used to support for GUI feature, that was graphical user interface. Next, Tally 5.4. In this, the inventory was supported. In this case, it can perform the functions of inventory records and accounting. Apart from that, even we can import the data. Import of data from one operating system to another also was supported in Tally 5.4. Now coming to the Tally 6.3, which was supported with hardware lock, and this was released in the year 2001. Via the open data connectivity, this particular version was able to connect to other operating networks. The next one is regarding about Tally 7.2, which was released in the year 2005. And here, this particular version used to support for tool of taxes, VAT was supported, service tax and TDS. Next is Tally 8.1, which was released in the year 2006, which used to support for multiple language support, fringe benefit tax, FBT, excise duty. The next is Tally 9. In Tally 9, which was released in the year 2006, Tally 8.1 and 9 were released in the same year, that is 2006, which used to support for international taxation, payroll system and even POS, that is point of sale. In this particular version, that is Tally 9, It used to support for multiple languages, including foreign languages were included in Tally 9. The next is regarding about Tally ERP 9, which was released in the year 2009. It used to support for high security features, and this particular version has become more work efficient and one of the very useful software for new generation, and it used to support for exercise for manufacturers, and even remote login was supported in ERP 9. In Tally.ERP9, with the feature of Tally.net, which establishes a connection through which the remote user can access client's data without copying or transferring the data, or without physically moving from one place to another place. Even we call this particular version as Auditor's Edition also, which provides auditing and compliance capabilities exclusively for chartered accountants. This is all about the Tally versions. But for the syllabus, we are going to learn Tally 9 in the coming videos. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel. In the next video, we are going to see the features of Tally.